Egg donation is the process by which a woman donates eggs to enable another woman to conceive the child that they so much want and deserve. Here is the egg donation process. After an egg donor has been matched with prospective parents, they will undergo a screening process prior to starting the egg donation cycle. To begin the egg donation cycle, the egg donor will be put on birth control pills, which synchronizes both the donor's and recipient's menstruation cycles. The donor will be given various types of injections and also go through different screening to monitor the follicle growth. Once the follicle have matured enough for retrieval, an injection of HCG is administered. HCG prepares the egg donor's ovaries to release the eggs. The egg retrieval will take place approximately 36 hours after the HCG injection. Egg retrieval is a short procedure lasting 30 minutes or less. However, the donor will need to rest for an hour or two at the clinic after the retrieval. The donor can return to their normal routine one day after retrieval, with the exception of physically strenuous activity or exercise. Egg donation provides another family with the gift of life. As an egg donor, you have the opportunity to drastically change the lives of hopeful intended parents, and this is truly an experience you will treasure for life.